Alright, we're back from the previous video. I went ahead and took the head off. When I took the check valves out, the O-rings and nylon rings for the check valves looked good. Taking this head apart, I just wanted to share with you guys. You have a special tool that's from CAT to take these low pressure rings off. Now this is how it's supposed to fit. When I got to the second one, this guy was just warped out. This is caused from, over time, just taking them on and off. This is brass, so I mean it's not very durable. So on your truck or your van, your vehicle, you'll have an easy out. It's quite large, made just for these. You stick it in there, you turn it. These things usually come out pretty easy. Now what I found in the head, the packing was really chewed up. As you can see, we got just chunks of the packing just missing. Now, typically they won't be this bad. On this one you can kind of see where some of the washout occurred on the outside. This head does have some washout on it. I'm going to try to show you as best I can. Right where I have the light, that's where washout usually occurs. The packing goes in right there, and when the packing becomes worn out, you can kind of see a couple strands right there. When it becomes worn out, the water goes, on the outside of the packing instead of through the inside bore. As that occurs over time, it makes these little gullies where the water just travels through, and the head becomes no good because you'll start losing pressure. You'll get a vibration like we were here. Let's see. You can kind of see it right there too on that lip. They're like right in the video, it looks like they're tan color right there. I also found, you can look down in the bore on the sidewall, a large chunk of the sidewall is missing. This may be causing some of the problem. I'm going to put new packing in it and get it going to see if we get any difference. The only reason I say this could be causing a problem is because it has changed the size of the bore diameter, and the packing is going to be getting hit with water that it's not normally accustomed to because this bore is out of round. So I'm going to put this back together and see if we have any more problems, and I will come back and let you guys know how everything went.